new video. Now you're not seeing my face unfortunately, but I don't really think you need to see my face for this. So I have a box over here that I'm going to be opening up and showing you guys and giving you my first impression of what's in the item that's in here. Now there's a camera in here, but the reason being, quick story is my GoPro is shit itself. I'm not sure why. It was working fine, and then just one day it just started working not so well. It overheats extremely quickly, even though I've only used it once. Well, for the Philippines, of course, and also at home, maybe 1 or 2 videos, and then it's just started overheating so quickly. It doesn't stay in the sun, nothing like that. And also it cuts audio from the videos every couple of seconds, so it goes like this, like beep, da, beep, beep. I will talk and it cuts out, talk, cuts out, and I have no idea what the hell's going on. So if any of you know, please do write comments down below to maybe to make sure to give you a 2 cents of what could be wrong or not. So let's get into it, shall we? So yeah, let's get and see what this thing is all about, this camera. Little small knife thingy. Super Cheap Auto sells these, is pretty good. So anyway, let's get on, let's see. Okay, oh, little this looks like good to eat. I remember back in South Africa we had this carnival stuff where you get these kinds of forms of chips, but it has different flavors, sweet flavors. But it's not this foam stuff, but it's actual chips. So a little bit of a, let's see. Okay, this is my slip, my receipt. So here's the camera box. It's pretty short actually, pretty small. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a Panasonic DMC TZ80 Lumix. This does 4K video, 4K photos. It's got a viewfinder, a 30 optical zoom, and 60 times intelligent zoom. So this is in a black color. So yeah, let's open it, shall we? Let's see what we have. I'm opening it like this. Oh, okay. So this is an instruction manual, or dear customer, sorry. I have to update the firmware for this. So okay, well, anyway. So that's that. Okay. Well, it's got a instruction book thingy. So actually, let's just have a look, see maybe. Okay. This is the instruction book here, sorry. Well, anyway, let's not worry about the instruction books. I'll worry about that later. So we've got the power adapter, yeah, of course. The USB, micro USB. A little hand strap thing you like put on your, your wrist so you don't fall or nothing. So, yep, I have that. Keep that there. And then the battery. Okay. That's another reason why I have chosen this one, because I mean all cameras nowadays have rechargeable batteries, where this one I'm recording the video on right now does not. It requires 4 AA batteries, which is not really very good, but it's still okay, I guess. So yeah, rechargeable battery. And here it is, the camera itself. So I'll just put the box to the side, really, and let's just take it out of the box. A lot of packaging, for this. So I like this kind of cover thingy to keep the camera in. So let's take the camera out, shall we? Oh wow! Oh, that feels so bloody nice. Oh man, that feels nice. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It looks so bloody nice. Oh, it's a Panasonic, of course, yeah. There was another model, another model of this one that has a flip-up screen. So that one was about maybe $600-700. I did not have enough money. I did. Okay, actually no, scrap it. I did have enough money, but I didn't want to use. I didn't want to spend that much money on a camera. But I'm very glad with this one. It doesn't have a proper screen, which is very good for vlogging and for channels that do traveling and stuff like that. But this one will suffice. It will be okay. So yeah, it looks so amazing. Like you see all the it's like the 4K burst photo mode, all sorts of nice ones. This is the triangle view, pathfinder or viewfinder. Apparently, we'll have a we'll have a look. It looks so nice. Of course, you can get to choose any your modes, of course, picture and on and off. So let's put the battery in before we head. It's got the HDMI, micro HDMI. One thing that I do try to find in cameras is when it had to have a external microphone port, but which this one doesn't have. The more expensive one does, I believe. But yeah, this is where you put the battery in, of course, as well. What's this? Oh, here we go. Hold on. What's this? Oh. No, please no. Oh, okay, anyway, let's have a look-see. I don't know what that is for, though, to be honest. Okay, but anyway, let's put the battery in and see. Put this one here quickly. And put the battery in and see if it has any juice. If it does, we'll test it out and see if it works perfectly fine. I might need to charge it up, but yeah. Alrighty, so let's put this in. How the hell is it going? Like this? No? Like this? Oh, like this. Okay. There we go. We lock that in there. So let's let's test it out, shall we? Oh, it works! Oh, awesome! It's got a little bit of a juice left. A little bit of a juice. So let's say set time. Okay. What time is it now? It's 1:30. Okay, 1:30. Let's see. 1:30. It's the what? Let me see. It's the 18th of October. So 18th of October, 2018. Style, day, month, and oh, okay. Yeah, set and please set the home area. Okay. I need to choose the location of where I am. Okay, set no memory card. Okay. Well, anyway, it has no memory card in it, but that's okay. We'll just see quickly a few things. Menu. What the? Yeah, I know. So menu, filter, format. Okay, photo style, standard, custom, back. 4K cropping. Nah, I don't want 4K cropping. But of course, we'll have to, anyway. Oh, here we go. Oh, okay. So this one does HD, which is 720 at 25 frames per second, which is very bad, actually. Very, very bad. But it's still, I guess it will be okay. And then it does full HD at 25 frames per second again. It does full HD again, but at 50 frames per second. And then it does 4K at 25 frames per second, 25 frames. So it's not too bad, but I probably will be doing the full HD at 50 frames, which makes it much smoother. Probably as smooth as this one, but maybe smoother than that. I'm not sure. So yeah, that's it. I can't wait to test this camera out. We'll see. Hold on. Let me see if I put it in video. Oh, that's the video mode. Okay. Man. So this is kind of like a professional one. So that's what it looks like. Okay. So yeah, I can't wait to test this out. To test this camera out, really. So actually, hold on, let me turn that on again. Let me just see something. I want to see something. Hold on. Is this supposed to do anything? I'm not even sure if this is supposed to do anything. Oh well, anyway. That is it, my fellow travelers. That's my brand new camera I bought. This is going to be for my future vlogging stuff, hopefully. I'll still be using this one that you see right here now, that I'm using the phone, using the video with. Yeah, we'll just have to wait and see until I get my other camera, which my brother will be buying me for Christmas, hopefully. But that's it. And hope you guys enjoyed. Please do feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And definitely let me know what you guys think. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.